ChatGPT 5 is officially out. OpenAI have released this video and we're going to check it out, and then we're going to run through some prompts and see how it actually is. First, let's get into the demo.
We are excited to introduce you to GPT-5, our most capable model yet. GPT-5 figures out how hard to think, which tools to use, and suggests next steps to help you get your work done. The first thing you'll notice is the model picker. No more hunting for the right model. GPT-5 adjusts the reasoning effort depending on the task. Let's test it out by going from customer feedback to prototyping new features for our travel app over the next few minutes. Type in a simple prompt, like asking for help understanding customer feedback, and you'll get a very fast and considered response. GPT-5 already knows that it needs additional
if you can share the customer feedback data
to get this work done, and has asked me to provide the information it requires. I'll upload the customer feedback. As you can see, it's pretty messy and contains multiple tabs. GPT-5 is much stronger at data analysis though, so we've got this covered. We'll ask for a stack ranking exercise with some charts and tables. The task is pretty complex, so GPT-5 switches to deeper reasoning to get it right. GPT-5 uses its improved coding capabilities to analyze the data and hunt for new trends and themes. In no time at all, we now have detailed charts outlining its findings, as well as our stack ranking. The model made sure to clearly explain its methodology.
That's really cool, actually. If it can go through 3 different sheets and then aggregate all the data into one report, that is top.
How it drew these conclusions and make sure that we trust the work it's completed. It's given us some quick prototyping ideas, as well as a guide on how to build a roadmap and even propose some next steps. Next, we can build a product requirements document along with a couple user stories. What you'll notice here is that GPT-5's writing is quite refined. It also respects
auto rebooking automates the process of finding and rebooking flights or accommodations when a better price or schedule match appears after purchase. It reduces user stress and refund difficulty, price volatility, and missed deals.
Your guidance on tone and style. You'll see a few less M dashes as well. This time, GPT-5 suggests we build a wireframe, so we'll ask for an interactive prototype to bring it to life. Right away, it's opened Canvas and starts getting to work writing code. GPT-5 has made huge leaps forward in front-end coding, and you can go from idea to workable prototype in just a single prompt. GPT-5's close instruction following means you can also continue iterating after the first version is complete. Let's go ahead and preview this.
Is that completely new?
Here, we've got an interactive prototype with a strong starting design.
Okay, so this is the design. It's very minimal. I like it. It seems functional.
I can add a trip, click into the details, or edit travel policies.
No, that's
it's
really
simple,
cool.
Yet powerful, so that anyone can start prototyping. And GPT-5 is even suggesting next steps and potential improvements to make our work even stronger.
Clickable Figma
to wrap
style
up,
prototype.
I'll ask for an easy-to-read exec summary with charts and tables. GPT-5 has now guided us all the way from analyzing customer feedback to building a working prototype. It helped uncover next steps, delivered reliable, thorough answers, and even built us this executive memo with our findings. No need to pick the right model, to choose the right tools, or to be a prompting expert. ChatGPT, powered by GPT-5, is now an expert partner helping you and your team to do your best work.
To be honest, that looks pretty great. And I want to actually try something here. So let's go into a blank sheet. Let's create 3 sheets. Let's say what's in sheet A. What's in sheet B? What's in sheet C? Dog. I'm going to put in random cells as well. Cat and turtle. Right. Now, chat GPT 5 test. Now I'm going to download that as an XLS because that's what he had. Okay, cool. Oh, right, okay. Wait, I can do it here. And okay, tell me what animals you find, chat. I'm going to put it there. Let's see. Analyzing. What's in sheet A, which seems more like a label than an animal? Are there any other text entries in there? Yeah, aside from the animals, the only text entry is in the spreadsheet is what's in sheet A. That's not true because we did what's in sheet A and we did what's in sheet B and what's in sheet C. So what about headings? Maybe it ignores the first row as like a heading. There we go. It's quite impressive that it can do multiple sheets. Obviously, the data was only 3 words. So let's try something else quickly. I want to write a blog post for my SEO agency titled What's New in ChatGPT 5. I want to do the banner image. Let's see how that works. Okay, it's getting started. So far, so good. I'm only on the $20 a month plan. Anyway, let me pause this and we'll return in a second. Okay, it's finished. It added the unnecessary SEO agency in there. It included the logo. What's new in ChatGPT 5? That's nice. It's minimal. I would like to remove that, but it didn't intuitively get it in a one bam. For my SEO agency, maybe if I put my SEO agency name there, it would have put the agency name. What's new in Chat? I like it. I don't see much difference, but I like it. All right, what else can we test? Can you write the blog post? I gave it my TOV in an earlier conversation. Okay, so fine. It hasn't got it. Let me just give it again. There you go. There's my TOV.md. Can it read the MD? If you think ChatGPT... Okay, to be honest, the writing style seems pretty good. It seems pretty intuitive. It flows. It seems to know what features it have been added to its own. 479 words. Can we increase that? But to be honest, a lot of people don't have the attention span to read over 500 words anyway these days, so maybe shorter is better. I want to know what additional fluff it would add. Add briefing, creating 2 new sections. What GPT-5 means for content, how agencies should adapt right now. What GPT-5 means for AI is now blending visual and text-based relevance signals. A cooking site with written recipes tagged instructional videos will outrank pure text competitors for AI answers. Interesting. Queries like, what's the best CRM for a small UK-based recruitment agency with less than 10 staff will trigger GPT-5 to combine multiple context points, geography, business type, and company size, and prefer content that answers all 3. Interesting. Schema markup isn't just for Google anymore. GPT-5 uses it to understand relationships between your content assets. This is really nice, actually. So, yeah. Okay. I'm sold with the content writing because this seems really organic, natural, human-like, and it actually seems quite engaging and fun to read. So yeah, I think in the next test we're going to do like full reports with charts, see what MCP tools we can use with it. So yeah, if you're interested, hit the subscribe button and follow for more. Peace.